Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Kenya ETA visa online. This is helpful because you need this approval before traveling, and doing it online is quick and simple. So first open up your browser and go to the official Kenya ETA website. Click on the option to start a new application, then create an account using your email to continue. Next, fill in your personal details like your name, date of birth, nationality, and your passport information. So make sure everything matches your passport exactly. After that, enter your travel details such as your arrival date, where you'll stay, and your reason for visiting. Then upload the required documents like your passport copy. And before submitting, review all your informations carefully. If everything looks correct, proceed to payment and pay the visa fee. So once that is done, you'll receive a confirmation email. You can track your application, and once it is approved, your ETA will be sent to your email. And that is it. You're ready for your trip. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.